Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my code for uh, dice and cups. So basically, as you can see, let's run our code. So as you can see, for different inputs of the cup, you can see if we select one six-sided dice and two 10-sided dice and one 20-sided die, we get an output of 18. Okay, so these are the respective outputs, and as you can see, this is the list over here. Okay, which shows like three was selected in from one of the six-sided die and 3 was selected from 10-sided die and 6 was selected from 10-sided die and from 20-sided die 6 was selected. Okay, and the total sum was 18. Okay, so these are basically our program. So as you can see in six-sided uh, die, we have basic our initial constructor. Okay, which basically sets uh, the number of die to 1 by default. And as you can see, when we roll it, it will randomly pick a number between 1 and 6. And we can return the face value by returning the value itself by self.x. And uh, yeah, this is where we represent our value by six-sided die. And you know, this as you can see in the output. So we basically inherit our six-sided die in our 10-sided die uh, class, and we basically have the same functions, but we have a slight change for the shuffling. Will shuffle between 1 and 10, and for representing 2, we have a different number, okay, which you can see. Uh, it is 10-sided die and the number that was selected. And for the 20-sided die, you can see the same thing as well. As we have inherited six-sided die and just the random number changes, one between 1 and 20, and the representation also changes. And this is our cup. So what happens in our cup is basically we initialize the number 1, okay, and it will run a for loop, and it will store uh, all the instances of the classes, okay, by 1, and it will change according to the user input, but by default we have selected 1. And for rolling, so we have also considered a list over here, self.dice. So basically all the elements that would be entered by user, okay, it would be rolled. It will use the method roll, and it will basically run all the roll function for the respective classes. And this is get sum, which would basically return our sum value. So this was our program. Thanks for watching.